This is the African Medical Center of Excellence, Abuja, a 500-bed ultra-modern hospital expected to serve more than 350,000 patients in its first 5 years of operation. Long plagued by healthcare infrastructure gaps and a shortage of specialists, Africa is now looking to this facility to bridge those divides.
All the monitoring devices and organ support in that enclosed space. Equipment for resuscitation and all we need to help the organs function optimally are all in that space. And then the staff who will be looking after the patient also stay in this space. And we also have the nurses station and several units. So we have 20 of this replicated on this floor for critically ill.
With the infrastructure that we have, the capital required, the costs involved, some of the care can be expensive. We understand that. For the most part, we're not treating malaria. We're not treating typhoid. We're treating very, very serious conditions, diseases. So when you look at our specialty areas, cardiovascular, cancer, hematology, where we're not only treating sickle cell, we're curing it permanently. These are serious diseases, and it tends to cost a little bit to do that.
Equipped with some of the most advanced medical technologies in West Africa, the facility boasts of an 18 MeV cyclotron, 3 Tesla MRI, PET and CT scanners, and a cutting-edge stem cell laboratory targeting diseases like sickle cell.
And we decided that we were going to intervene, supporting scaling up quality regional medical facilities across the continent, and we were going to do it across all the 5 key regions of the continent. In 2016, we invited 4 African countries to bid to host the first regional medical center of excellence that would support scaling up healthcare interventions, especially in non-communicable diseases. And Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Tanzania did bid to host the first African Medical Center of Excellence.
With a total investment of over $300 million from partners like the Bank of Industry and the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, the hospital was developed by Afrexim Bank in collaboration with the King's College Hospital, London. The CEO says the hospital will offer world-class services in oncology, hematology, cardiovascular care, and general surgery.
When patients come and they have as good an experience as they possibly can given the conditions that they would come here for, they're going to go back out and talk about it. One of the things that we will be measuring is less about patient satisfaction, more about patient loyalty. What are they saying? Net promoter score is what we would use. What are they saying when they leave the facility? They're going to talk about how they felt when they were here, whether their needs were met, whether their questions were answered, whether they were treated with compassion and care. That's what we have to do to build the trust.
In a bid to ensure inclusivity, the hospital's board has established a foundation to support low-income patients.
Even before we've seen the first patient, that foundation has attracted $75 million in donations. That does not count 3 areas that the foundation will cover. One is subsidizing patient care. That's the primary purpose of it. The second is to fund research. We will be doing a lot of research here on this campus. And then the last will be for capital equipment, that sort of thing. When opportunities arise or new technology comes in, it'll help us fund new capital equipment.
Stakeholders say the facility is more than just a hospital. It is a bold investment in the future of Africa's healthcare. The African Medical Center of Excellence opens on the 5th of June in Abuja and is expected to not only raise the standard of care on the continent, but also attract global attention and expertise to Nigeria. The African Medical Center of Excellence Abuja is the first of 5 planned centers in Africa, a strategic investment in Africa's health sovereignty, and the vision is to build a network of innovation and research that redefines medical care in Africa. Georgina Ndukwezaika, Arise News.